In this video, I will update the design of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-15R, but this is not the official design from Kawasaki. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-15R is rumored to be launched to replace the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R, the predecessor of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R. Was equipped with the 1441cc inline 4-cylinder engine, producing a maximum capacity of 210 horsepower, but it was defeated by the Suzuki GSX-1300 Hayabusa. Recently, Suzuki has launched the new version of Hayabusa, which makes Ninja ZX-14R followers very jealous. But information about the completely new Kawasaki Superbike aims at competing with Hayabusa, and this rumored to be the ZX-15R. The Kawasaki ZX-15R was revealed by the media that it may be equipped with a supercharged engine developed from the Kawasaki company's watercraft. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you and see you.